Do you know the names of all 26 letters of the English alphabet? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you the names of the letters so you will remember. At the end, there will be a practice assignment. Hello, students. I'm Teacher Kyle. This is Basic English for Beginners class. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Listen. I will say the letter names. I want you only to listen. Ready? Let's begin. A, B, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Did you know in Canada we say Z? In the United States they say Z. Did you notice there are 2 letters for each sound? The big one is called a capital letter. The small one is called the lowercase letter. Exercise 2. Now I will say the letter names again and you repeat. Listen, you repeat. Like this. A, B. Okay? Let's get started. Here are the capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z if you're American. Exercise 3. Listen, you repeat. Here are the lowercase letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Exercise 4. I will say the letters. You repeat after me. Okay? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good job. Exercise 5. I will say a letter, and you repeat what you hear. M, T, Q, R, A, C, J, Z, S, T, C. Exercise 6. What is the missing letter? I will say the alphabet, but not all of the letters. You must say the missing letter name. Okay? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, G, H, F, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, M, Q, R, T, S, U, W, V, Y, Z, X. Good job. Exercise 7. What is this letter? And this one? That one? What is this letter? And this one? Good. Here are some ideas to help you remember. You could take notes. Write down the alphabet on a piece of paper. You could watch this video again. You could find other videos to watch. You can make flashcards. You can do the practice assignment. I put a link in the description below. Click on the link to do the free practice exercises. If you want to practice pronouncing the alphabet, watch the next videos here. Thanks for watching.